It's a 2014 BMW i3. There's electric, and there's how BMW does electric. Welcome to conservation without compromise. It comes with great features you love. External memory control, cabin preconditioning, Bluetooth, forged aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, FM HD satellite prep radio, leather steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system. New car test drive find, like all cars powered by an electric motor, the i3 has instant torque, which means great pickup off the line. The chassis is stiff and suspension is firm, yet compliant. A tight turning radius makes it great for maneuvering through parking lots and for flipping U-turns. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. Take it for a test drive today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.